Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to extract a zip file in Windows 11. So let's just say you cannot open a RAR file right here, or there's a file here that you can't open. So let me introduce to you this 7-zip. In case that you cannot open a file here, or if you want to extract a zip file here, you have to go to any web browser and search for 7-zip. And then here it is. Now go to download, click this download option right here, and then you will see it above. You will be notified that it is now starting to download. Once done, you have to go to your folder or download folder, locate 7-zip, and then you have to run this as administrator. Now click install. You just have to wait for a couple of seconds. Then once done, you can now open this, or you can now use this 7-zip tool. So to use this one, you just have to locate that file, a file that you cannot open. And then what you're going to do is to right click that file, and then you have to look for 7-zip. You can see here different or many options such as open archive, extract files, extract here, and so on. So you can just simply click extract to template or extract files, and then you will see another folder that has the 7-zip file or the file that you have extracted using this tool. So click OK, wait for a couple of seconds, and locate that folder with 7-zip. There you will see the file that or the extracted file that you cannot open earlier. So again, download 7-zip, locate that file, right click, and then extract it using the 7-zip tool. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, and see you again in our next video tutorials.